Dear friends, welcome to my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. In this video, I'm going to discuss about difference in the title between PhD thesis and research paper. There are different need about the title of any PhD thesis and research paper. So you need to know what is the difference between PhD thesis title and research paper title. And from this video, you will be able to know how to write the title of PhD thesis and research paper also. By knowing the difference between these two, PhD thesis and research paper title, you can write the title properly for your work. So there are several points about the PhD thesis and research paper title. In both cases, you need to use the catchy word, which word can attract the audience. Basically, you need to try about use the catchy word, fancy word, which can be attract the audience. And the next point is you need to use key terms or keyword. You know, for every PhD thesis and a research paper, there are some keywords or key terms. In the research paper, after the abstract, there are several keywords. So you need to try to use the keyword in the title also, which will be very interesting and very attractive to the audience. This is the second thing. In case of PhD thesis and in case of research paper, you can use these key terms or keywords. And the next one is word with marketing value. Means you need to use those words in the title which has the marketing value, means which has the demand. Like that, I can say climate change. This two word is very much important and it has very high marketing value because this type of catchy word is used extensively. And the next one is study area. In both cases, means PhD thesis and research paper, you need to precise the study area and you can try to use the study area which are globally known. And at the same time, in the both cases, in case of PhD thesis and in case of research paper, you need to try about some global known term or global known word. As like that, if you are working in a state of any country, say that you are working, your study area is any state in India, and uh, you are working with a regional topic, and that term or word is not used globally, so your topic will not be interesting and attractive. At the same time, your title will not be attractive. So you need to try to use the globally known term that will be uh, gather the concentration of the global audience. And the more the audience you can attract, the more your work or your thesis and research paper will be interesting and attractive also. And the next thing is in case of PhD thesis and in case of research paper, you need to use the precise topic, very short, which in a glance you can any audience can understand your topic. So try to use the precise topic in both cases, PhD thesis and research paper. And the next point is methodology, which is very much important. And this can differ the title of PhD thesis and the research paper. So in case of PhD thesis, you need not to use the methodology, in which method or technique you are trying to use. Think that you are working with geospatial techniques. In case of PhD thesis, you may not use the methodology term in the title, but in case of a research paper, you need to use the methodological term in the title page. You need to use the methodological term like that, geospatial techniques and another things, and statistical techniques. In case of a research paper, you need to use those methodological terms or methodological techniques, methods or techniques. But in case of PhD thesis, you need to become precise and in a general sense, and you need to make a title on this way. And that is the today's topic. And please subscribe my channel, like this video, share among your friends, and of course comment me if you have any query or suggestions to me. And thanks for watching till the end.